I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm admin rights and a working backup so you can recover fast. Once done, map critical services and note exact ports like 22, 80, 443. This prevents accidental lockouts. Make sure you have console or SSH access ready in case remote changes break connectivity. Then, enable the firewall in learning or permissive mode so rules can be tested without dropping traffic. This lets you collect real behavior before enforcing stricter policies. You now build precise rules. Allow only necessary IPs, ports, and protocols to reduce risk. Next, apply changes to a pilot group or specific interface so impact is limited. Monitor logs for unexpected denies. Make sure to enable stateful inspection and configure NAT or port forwards correctly so services remain reachable. Once you verify expected flows, incrementally expand rule application. Keep checking connection states and adjust timeouts. This prevents you finish by switching the firewall to enforced mode after successful tests and immediately save a version backup so you can restore previous settings. Then, enable logging and alerts tied to thresholds to catch regressions and schedule periodic audits to detect drift. If something goes wrong, use your pre-planned rollback command and console access to restore connectivity quickly. This single troubleshooting tip, always keep console access ready, will save you time and prevent lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.